Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we try to lift this application to the next level. Means, in this video we will learn how we can make synchronization between React components. It's very important. So we will understand from the same example and we will convert this example to the next level. So first of all, we need to understand what the scenario is right now and what we want to change. So first of all, if I show you, right now we have here a home component like this, and we have counter component. You see, so this component having a parent child relation means this counter is a controlled component that is controlled by this parent component. Okay, now what I want, in the professional application of React, we have so many components and we have to make a synchronization. So this scenario I want to change, that I should have app component first here, then I should have a navbar, on same level I should need home counter, and then I have this counter. Means I show you here, I want app component, here I want navbar, or we can say title, and here I have home component, and here I have counter like this. So here this I want to connect with this I want connect with this, remember. So I need this. So this type of application I want to make synchronization between all these components. So means this scenario, this one, I need to convert into this one. And one more thing I will do, I will display here in navbar total counter. So we want to convert it from this scenario to this scenario. Now how we can convert? Let's see in this video. That is called the synchronization of components. We try to make it. So what I do, first of all, I need to change here in index component, in place of this home counter I need here app. So remember that one by one I remove it, and here I run it app. Okay, first thing, from here I need to remove the home counter, so I cut it and I need to create new component app.jsx. Okay, sfc, we can say sfc like this, and here I need the component app, you see, and I save it. So this app component we will add, we remove this from here. Okay, so this app component we will use. So we have add this here and we have app component here. Now what we do, under this app component I need to create, first of all, react.fragment. Under this I want to use home component. like this, home component, and here I want to import home counter, sorry. So name is home counter, not home component. So I say home counter like this, and here I want to add one more component that is called navbar. And for adding a navbar, I need the help of Bootstrap. So first of all, I need component navbar. So what I did, I say navbar.jsx like this. Now here I say sfc for stateless component, and I give the name here navbar. Save it, and here in this I need to pass a code. So I say dev. Under this I need the coding for Bootstrap, and in index I need to change this to app. Just to I need to change it to app.jsx like this. Save it. Okay, problem is that this is available in component, so here I need to pass the path component like this. Save it. Done. Now one thing is done, navbar is done. Counter, we have to use navbar also. So I say nav bar like this. Save it. So both I have. Navbar is undefined, so I need to import it again. So I say import navbar like this. Save it. Navbar having a parsing problem because we do not have anything here, so that I want to add. So what I do, I go to the browser here and I click on Bootstrap. So click here and go to the documentation, and here we can search navbar, and if we have a simple navbar we can make copy of that. So what I do, I need a small navbar like this. So this one I can have. So what we have nav like this. So I copy this. I just copy this and try to paste here. Save it. So what I need here, light. So I need to remove this, no need of this. So I remove this one also, and in place of navbar I can copy this all. Save it. I just copy all this and cut to dev, and here I need class name, and here I need class name. Save it, and remove this, remove this one also, save it, see the output. What is the output? Navbar is coming here, but we have a warning. We will see this warning also. So we have this. So we did navbar here, and here I say counter, I say total counter like this. I display here, and in app bar here I need to make it as a main component, and here I say class name equal to container, because in Bootstrap we have a container class, and under this container class we put this main counter like this. Okay, now it's giving error for navbar valid reference. So here I can give a dummy reference. I say https google.com, or I can remove it also because I don't want to click on anywhere. So, and we can remove this one too. I say span, later on I can change to anchor. Save it. So warning gone, no need of clicking on this button, and I just add this one also, and then now I go to this, and you see here we have a total counter is coming. So I need some margin also here. So what I do here, I say in class I say margin 2 like this, and try to see this. So we need more margin. So margin we need I say 4. Save it. You see we have this margin. 4 is I think enough, so 2 is enough, no need of this, and it's total counter, and we make it h1 h2 also little bit bold to look better like this. Now if I see, you see total counter, and we have this. Now this is working perfectly as we have mentioned here. We have app component, under this we have a navbar. Now we have a home component, under this we have a counter. So we have changed it to this. You see we have a app component, under the app component we have a navbar, and then on the same label I have a home counter, under the home counter I have this counter. So we have changed it, and that is called the synchronization. We made the synchronization among all the components. The problem is that here I want to display total number of counter here. Remember after this total counter, here I want to print total number of counter is here, that is non-zero. If I say this, now 2 are non-zero, that I want to display here. So how it is possible to display total number of counter here? That we will see. The problem here is, now if you understand with this diagram, this counter is not a child of this navbar. So it is not possible to pass total number of counter from here to here. So now what we have to do here, we have to make this app counter as a root component of this. Remember, we have to make this app component is the root component of home counter, home counter and counter and navbar. To all we have to make it root, because if it would be root app component, then we can pass number of count to navbar also, we can pass the property to home component also. So in next video we will do the same thing which we have mentioned. I will display here total number of counter, and I will do lifting of states from this to this. Means I will make this app component as a grandparent of counter, and I will make the app component as the parent of home component or home counter here. That is called the lifting of state to make a synchronization among these components. That we will do in next video. I think you understand something in this video, how you do synchronization among components in React. If you really understand, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.